morning, everyone. I am Myra Grace G. Rosalejos from Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English, Section 1B. And today, we will be able to learn about public speaking. We will be able to learn what is their type, the important factors, and also the do's and don'ts, and the techniques for doing the public speaking. So, what is public speaking? Public speaking is a delivering speech in front of large audience in a formal situations. Formal situations like occasions, weddings, birthdays, meetings or conference, and so on. So, public speaking is a communicating of ideas with words through words as well as actions. Okay, let's proceed to its type. There are four types of public speaking. The first one is ceremonial. Ceremonial is giving speeches during special occasions like birthdays, graduations, weddings, and so on. Second one is demonstrative. What is demonstrative? It is where the speaker performs actions and clearly explain the action in the process. Third one is informative. Informative, it focuses on explaining a concept or idea to audience. And the last one is persuasive. It's convincing members of your audience to do something based on them agreeing with your viewpoint. So, that's the four types of public speaking. Then, let's proceed to the modern elements of public speaking. We have the who or communication, says what or the message, in which channel or the medium, to whom or the receiver, and what is the effect or the effect of the speech. And let's forward to the three important factors of public speaking. We have ethos, logos, and pathos. So what is ethos? Ethos is credibility of the speaker. It appeals to speaker status or authority to make the audience most likely to trust them. And the logos is logical arrangement of words or sentences. It appeals to audiences' reasons, building up, and logical arguments. And the last one is pathos. Pathos is ability to create a connection between the speaker and the audience. It appeals to the emotion. It's trying to make, for example, it's trying to make a feeling of angry and sympathy. So, we're done to the three important factors of public speaking. Let's proceed to its technique for doing a successful public speaking. Number one, plan appropriately. Number two, take a deep breath before speaking. Number three, engage with your audiences. Number four, pay attention to body language of the speech you're trying to speak. And think positively. We should always think positively that we are going to speak successfully. Cope with your nerves. Watch recordings of your speeches. Like we should practice. We should have another background. And last one, more practice in experiences, because they say practice makes perfect. So we should practice and doing public speaking in front of the large audience, so we can gain more confidence. I have here also the do's and don'ts of public speaking. What is the do's? The do's is do clearly define in any terms that may not be familiar to your audience. We should familiarize every words that are not familiar with your audience. Second, do keep acronyms to an absolute minimum. Third, don't forget, this is the dose of public speaking. Don't forget that that study shows an audience can remember only 3 or 4 things you present in a talk. Don't forget that any lecture is a performance. Don't distract from your message by including peripheral topics or excessive arcane detail. Next, don't keep on jumping back and forth through your slides. You should always arrange your slides so that you can speak straightly. Next, don't start to change a slide, then stop halfway. Another, don't fidget nervously in front of your audience. We should not let them see our nervous. We should not let them see that we are we're having a nervousness, and we should calm and so that we can able to speech correctly and properly. Then another, don't stick your hand in your pocket, put your thumbs under your belt, or engage in other creative dimensions. We should not keep our hands in our pockets or our back. We should stay our side, and so that our audience will see that we are attentively, we are active, or we are we're not nervous on doing our speech. And another, don't start sentences with so. Don't end sentences with right or okay. And don't apologetically introduce a topic with